Okay, Amrit, you had a story you wanted to tell. What was the story?
Guys, this week Kevin आया था. Kevin visited me at home. He was here for 3-4 days. उसका एक medical checkup था. तो obviously corona के बाद corona के time when somebody visits you are, and come, especially after they coming from a hospital, you think यार must be a harrowing experience for them. But turns out in true Kevin style, it's usually wherever he goes, it's a harrowing experience for other people. So Kevin comes to the house, and
No.
I don't think my wife Tara had even come out yet until then. So Kevin walks in, and he's just telling me. I was asking him क्या कैसा था वो, and then he said कुछ अजीब हुआ यार आज, कुछ अजीब हुआ, like something weird happened. So I was like क्या अजीब हुआ? He's like नहीं वो ना. So the doctor told me in Malayalam. So I know whenever somebody tells you they're going into translation, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ झूठ बोलने वाले हैं. तो Kevin says कि one of the last checkups that was going to happen to him was कि एक physical checkup था, and the doctor ने उसकी पूरी body वो करते हैं. तो the person told him कि अपने कपड़े उतार के robe पहन लो. तो normal adult males को कोई ये बात बोलता है तो वो अपने at least कच्छे बनियान तो पहने रखते हैं. तो हमारा भाई बोलता है यार मुझे लगा सब कुछ, मतलब सब कुछ, मैं जो पढ़ा है सब उतार दिया भाई. और रोब लेके केविन हमारी डॉक्टर के पास सामने चले जाते हैं. तो डॉक्टर फिर बोलती है कि नहीं तुम रोब हटा सकते हो. उसने कहा सॉरी मैडम, मैंने रोब हटा दिया तो ये केस दूसरा हो जाएगा. केविन एक आंटी के सामने एकदम नंगा होके खड़ा हो गया, एक विदाउट एनी वो. थैंकफुली रोब था और उनमें थोड़ा दिमाग था कि वो उन्होंने पूछ लिया कि हम अभी Kevin is not in a police station somewhere with some sort of lawsuit.
For flashing, right?
But for flashing an elderly woman. Thankfully she
and that was even worse.
थोड़े कपड़े अपने पहन गए.
Kevin, did she laugh when it happened? Then
I think
it's a bad sign for you.
She didn't see anything.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, then
Thankfully
it's
एक second पहले
then she
Kevin
must have
thought I enjoy the fact that Kevin was so confused that it was a bad. गलती किसकी थी? Okay, I had to explain to him कि हॉस्पिटल में कोई कपड़े मुतालिक बोले until they specifically say कि अपना अंडरवेयर ना निकालो. नहीं निकालते लोग.
तो पहले उसने बोला कि फिजिकल चेक है, तो उसने बोला कपड़े सारे निकाल के.
What did you think she was going to check? I'm just.
And they gave me a robe.
Again, so
previously when I've gone for a medical check, they literally they didn't give me a robe. So it was understood that you have to just be in your boxes and you're fine.
I think Kevin,
but this is the first time they gave me a robe.
It depends, Kevin.
Excited.
For MRI, then you have to be completely naked and just wear a robe.
No, but they give you a specialized robe. But this is not that kind of a physical check.
But it wasn't that type of a if it was since it wasn't that, I don't think you needed to be.
This is like somebody लोग locker room के अंदर है ना कि सबने shirt उतारी हुई है and one guy randomly gets naked for no reason.
That reminds me, Amrit, you remember when we went for an economics exam in Purdue? We went for inside a changing room one time and there were 3 guys.
नहीं भाई वो
I know where the story is.
फाइनल ईयर एग्जाम के पहले याद है वो बूढ़े अंकल बिल्कुल.
Yep. That's what I'm talking about.
वैसे किसी कुंभ के किसी उसमें जा रहे थे हम, कोई साधु निकल रहा है पानी से, वैसे लॉकर रूम के अंदर से अंकल निकल रहे हैं.
It was like what the hell.
Those are all very traumatizing memories.
Kevin and Arnav had an incident like that. Arnav ran out and Kevin just came out laughing, smiling and laughing slowly in the rec center, na?
Did
Arnav
Kevin
told me the story.
Did Kevin saw Arnav?
Okay, in college I used to feel after that, I think even in California when I used to go to the gym, that's a norm. That everyone's just walking and dangling their stuff
hanging and loose
in the air. So
oh yeah, that's why
now even I'll do
that's why you want to go back there so badly, don't you?
Yeah.
All of that ties in well now. यहाँ पे I don't think.
And what I've noticed is, I feel the older the people, the more they want to show.
I think उनको
they care.
They care lesser about these whatever proprietary.
No, I mean they don't give a shit anymore.
They want to show.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. आओ देख लिया तुमने, क्या करोगे?
On that note, welcome everyone to the Veli podcast. We'll move on. I am your host Akash, and I am joined by this illustrious crew, Amrit.
Yeah, Kevin told you to speak with more energy. To speak with more
Yeah.
energy.
Kevin.
आकाश illustrious का मतलब भी बोल ही दे.
Bill.
I mean just
I went to a British school, unlike
हमको सिर्फ हिंदी
Mormons.
समझ में आता है.
Exactly. Arnav.
हिंदी में समझाना पड़ेगा तेरे को.
Arnav is yawning. Wait, we'll
Yawning.
wait for
Arnav
him
literally
to say
yawned
something.
through his intro.
Yeah.
Okay, can
And
you be
you'd say-
more unprofessional? Can
Yeah, yeah.
anyone be more unprofessional than you?
See,
2
tell
घंटे
me to
late
be
आया है.
excited. You tell me to be excited, and I'm working with these type of people as well.
और
हाँ,
आकाश
अर्नव is-
हमारे
he is-
लीडर ही एक्साइटेड नहीं है तो हम कैसे होंगे? We have to lead by example.
After 12
Okay,
आकाश
that-
का हैप्पी टाइम था ना जो हमने इंटरप्ट कर दिया है.
Exactly.
This is where आकाश का
I was
फेस
going to
टाइम
say Apna Haath Jagannath, but then I guess
Ah.
I already said it now, so there's no point of saying I was going
I'm
to say.
shocked you know that
But-
phrase, but anyways.
नहीं, ये बाहर बैठ के हिंदी मूवी सारी देखता है ना.
Exactly. How I learned from Panchayats from the last episode. Or one of the last episodes was Hindi movies.
Nice.
Anyway,
हाँ,
How was
I've
that?
heard
Akash,
that's
I
a
think
good
you
show.
should. Akash,
Yeah.
you should clear out of the way and let Arnav have his ISO with this
yes,
topic.
I was going to say, Arnav, I'm going to let you take it away for us this time. Arnav always suggests very good topics to us in the past.
Insightful, intellectual topic, क्योंकि he's the most spiritually inclined person among us. तो वो
और
सोच समझ के from the heavens he finds good topics. So बताओ जी
From
क्या
the
topic
heavens.
आपका?
You're the guy who used to call him the epitome of evil. Now you're saying he descends from the
Yeah.
heavens to give a topic.
Make up
my
your mind.
my
But to be
opinion has
fair-
changed, यार.
But to be fair, ये topic Kevin से आया था. Remember, I think in one of the last podcasts, Kevin mentioned कि
Mhm.
while we were talking about social media, that there should be some kind of classes for social media, right? How to handle social media and everything.
नहीं, but that was a sub thing of it. The
Yeah.
overall topic of school lessons was you.
Yeah,
So
then
this
on
is you who
उसके
should give
ऊपर
us your
then
opinion.
so
So
basically
Arnav, please introduce the
short-
topic and
yeah, I don't have any formal introduction, but yes, I think वही topic जो अभी अमृत ने जो mention किया, how the school topic should evolve along with times. I think हम सब ने different curriculum में पढ़ाई की है, if I'm not wrong. Someone from CBSE, ICSE, अमृत तेरा?
मेरा CBSE था भाई.
Okay, and आकाश तो Abu Dhabi school, I guess. और वहाँ जो भी system चल रहा है.
Ask the
Kevin-
name of it. Don't say Abu Dhabi school.
Like bro,
Okay.
UK.
Kevin तेरा कौन
I
सा?
was in CBSE till 9th, and then American system from till the remaining. high
Kevin, you
school.
did British system as well, no? Shoaib
Okay, anyways,
Akhtar's
that's
and
not the
Yeah, for us we do both. We do both.
point is I wanted to discuss कि कैसे subjects should evolve along with this day and age, because as far as जितना मुझे याद है कि I don't think subjects कभी ऐसे change हुए, at least in India, the core subjects which we are studying for till 10th grade. Science, math की बात नहीं करें, in general जो आपको optional selective subjects होते हैं, how they should evolve for kids and next generation.
हाँ तो भाई शुरू करना.
Correct.
Oh.
So what do you think should?
Solution नहीं बात कर रहे हैं अपन. First of all, we have to discuss कि I think we should start from why they should evolve, and first of all, if they should evolve,
Yeah.
right? So
do you think they should?
No, I think you can include all elements of it in your opinion. Na? You can say agar if you think it should evolve or not evolve, or what part of it would you like to evolve. If you don't think it should evolve, you can also include that in your point. Just let
I
us
think-
hear your complete opinion.
complete opinion तो अब तक फॉर्म ही नहीं हुआ, but still we will अपन फिर भी कुछ बात करेंगे because we
I
have
think
to,
one of the major things is one of the major things I saw from
अब बोल ही दे.
I think one of the major things I noticed from a document that Amrit had shared was I think our major focus is on literacy and numeracy as like the fundamental capability to improve the fundamental capabilities in a student. The major focus is on literacy and numeracy, which I think is I mean it's obviously it's one of the key parts, but I think for the newer world we need to probably add something to that. It's not just that.
just to
because
give
there's a
some
lot of,
context, Kevin is mentioning about
technology involved. There's a lot of social life involved.
Kevin is mentioning about NEP, which is the new policy announced by
No,
Indian
the
government,
National Education
National Education Policy, which is so Kevin जो अमृत ने document share किया था वो share किया था, so that's just for the context by the way.
नहीं, but Kevin, can you first, in a general broad thing, तुझे क्या लगता है पढ़ाई में क्या बदलना चाहिए? Because one thing we have to understand is while NEP 2020 is a very nice क्या कहते हैं ऑन पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट, और वो उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कुछ 6 साल तक दूर है अभी. लाइक इट इज गोइंग टू बी फेस्ड इन लाइक अ 6 year थिंग. और हम वी कैन नॉट गो इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ यार ये ऐसा करना चाहिए, वैसी पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक वुड शुड बी डिफरेंट अबाउट स्कूल लेसन्स if you could be, as you 5-10 साल में this is something your kids will also face. So what do you think about that? That was the question Arnav had originally
Correct.
posed. What do you think should be different in a school lesson?
So one of the major things I think is we need to train. Obviously, we are looking at like more decision making being part of a normal part of our life. Because what I've noticed in my personal experience when I've worked with like Indians versus uh, some of the other managers, I feel one of the major things I personally also have gone through this. I think the Western world promotes a lot more teamwork and decision making through the school years itself. And I think that's something we definitely need to uh, add to our curriculum, because problem solving is one thing, but like we are still on a very conceptual problem solving perspective. Like everything is more related to conceptual being the focal point.
Like
So first of all, we
we
need to go into problem solving on a more larger aspect, and then start working on decision making and uh,
like do
teamwork.
you mean like we are more individual focused? 'Cause from your point I felt like we are more like the crabs in a barrel analogy. Like we are raised to be more exam focused, like we have to defeat this other person in an exam,
Yeah,
and since there are such limited opportunities,
Competitiveness kind
our
of
focus is not,
is the
yeah, our
focus.
thing is not
Yeah.
particularly to understand or study
yeah,
something, but more on
See, if you watch Three
winning,
Idiots,
getting a
you are
seat.
educated on
and
this matter completely.
and one of the major things you remember of national exams, I think you guys have given 10th and 12th. One of the major problems I have with the whole system is the fact that we are sitting and doing, there's way too much focus on, I have prepared for my 10th because I switched in the middle of 10th. So one of the things that I noticed was this way too much focus on practice tests rather than knowing the content. So like what kind of questions are asked, and based on that learning, which is a completely incorrect way
नहीं
of
बट
learning, in my
बात वही है
opinion.
ना कि लाइक हम चाहते हैं कि पास्ट पेपर देख के पैटर्न पता लग जाए एंड क्वेश्चन बैंक मिले और हम
Exactly.
वो करें, क्या कहते हैं, बेसिकली फिगर आउट कर पाए कि एग्जामिनर एक्चुअली इस तरीके से पूछ रहा है, ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है और बात है. पर केविन, so essentially I guess you agree that something should be changed. So what would you suggest as the change? Like क्योंकि जो like Kalia said, unfortunately this point has been raised much better in Three Idiots
Yeah.
than anything we can do. कि, we have established as a group that all of us agree that rote memorization, examination focused analogy है currently. I guess all of us agree.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like Arnav said,
Correct.
ठीक है. So now let us now go into what we think. कि हाँ तू क्या बोलेगा?
Yeah.
What is any of you can take it.
I think in my opinion, one of the first things I would personally, if I had a suggestion to make, I would personally do first reduce focus on examinations and do more real life projects, as in research projects, and it should be team research projects. And secondly, you have to learn to work with other divisions. So for example, a business student and a science student has to learn to work together. And why can't a business and a science student work together on a project? And that should be part of the curriculum, because every project has a financial side, a management side, and a science side, and all three are and all sides are equally important in
No, and the
for a success
irony
of
of
a
that
project.
being that our engineering students eventually end up working for management kids anyways, or they end up doing that same
Correct.
degree आगे जाके और they go into that field. They take those two. In India का most ironic quote is the IIT IIM route, which is like so contradictory
Yeah.
कि it never makes any sense. But either way.
And,
But I
and
think that's a good
and
point.
in my personal
हाँ भाई वो अपन
yeah, and in my personal experience, I've seen this on a master level also. Like I worked since I'm in manufacturing. What do you call students with who like a lot of the people in my batch were South Asian students, and it's not just an India problem. It's like I think South Asian problem. Like even at a master level, so you're like at 24, 25 years old, and they're struggling to work with certain components in a team. So, for example, like I know there's always going to be the concept, like should we, like, what if the team member doesn't, one of the team members doesn't want to do any work, etc. I'll have to do etc. But that is real life. The fact is that you have to learn
So
to
in
do that.
India,
Like you will have
the
to.
work culture. Sorry, no, my bad. I'm interrupting you. In India, is the work culture not very collaborative at all compared to like the
is
West, Kevin?
1000% is. It is like by my entire team, if anything else, and Kevin was here in the middle of it, like you
Mhm.
saw, like if something goes off, you will get uh, weird phone calls, like requesting help or like asking for modifications. Like that's a very constant part of thing. Doesn't matter what position or rank you are in, it's a very collaborative effort. But I think
I
what
think
Kevin's
Akash is mentioning school time, not in general, right?
no, he said
No, in
work
general,
culture.
in work culture, because that's why
No,
I'm
no,
Oh,
he
thinking
work
said,
like
culture.
if you're
yeah,
taking them as
because
collaborative in school, you're preparing them for work
no,
culture.
I 1000% believe that in school में तो we had zero exposure to any sort of work हुआ था हमारे
Okay.
स्कूल में. अब तुम I don't know कि दूसरे लोगों के स्कूल में क्या था. हमारे इसमें ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट नाम की चीज नहीं थे, and they were all like make नाम के like नेम से ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट like वॉल्केनो बनाओ ज्योग्राफी में, उसके अंदर से लावा निकल गया तो सब पास हो गए. Then which was essentially like, और हमारे ग्रुप में there was a really intelligent girl who did it and the rest of us just held the thermocol और लावा निकल गया 3 घंटे बाद तो सब पास हो गए. That honestly that's all I remember when you first asked me this like 2 दिन पहले, and I was just thinking that's the only group project I remember. And very directly into that, in my first year जब Purdue में भी थे, that was a huge issue for me. I wasn't mentally ready to be in a team. जब हमारे वो याद है वो फर्स्ट ईयर इंजीनियरिंग के जो सब्जेक्ट्स थे उनमें like it was very odd, or वो like it was like either मुझे आता है या मुझे नहीं आता है, then how do I communicate that, like the embarrassment of communicating it or even putting it out there. So where hence my solution would 100% coincide with Kevin's, but it is a bit different also. I think I like one of the things that मेरे लिए the output is always going to be based on what I want my kids to go through. And in the future I want my kids to have like complete growth, and I want the school जो वो है to focus on my kids mental and physical growth as well alongside वो. That is something that I would like to reinforce, because as a child who was raised in schooling system from mid 90s, late 90s to up to 2010, it was purely an academic focus. You are not actually ready to uh, face life and its challenges on a complete as a human being level. Like when I thought about this, like मेरे पास बहुत सारे points आ रहे थे मेरे दिमाग में कि एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज ऐसी होनी चाहिए, या हमें एग्जाम्स डालते रहते हैं या हम पे वो करते रहते हैं. बट just to be a decent functioning human being, I don't think we are taught at all. Like an holistic approach to वो हमें बोला जाता है इसे अभी जैसे government is really pushing, and like which is a very good push also in my opinion, कि like India का indigenous yoga वगैरह are like things to be proud of. India's own oldest martial art जो India का है Kalaripayattu, like knowledge about that, all of that is very nice. I want my child to have those things बचपन से. I want them to know कि whatever kind of day you have, पढ़ाई important है, but you need to have some sort of physical activity. I want you to be like well versed in local community. I want them to like actually focus on the child being that holistic individual, which is very crucial and very important to me, which I think is the school lesson I would change. Like sports are important, health, physical health important होनी चाहिए बच्चों को. वो it's not like नहीं तुम्हारी affinity नहीं है तो तुम करो ही नहीं. मैं नहीं कह रहा force करो मेरे बच्चे को, but वो essential, because I think every adult should have some sort of physical activity every day. I wish someone had taught me that. One of the cruelest things I wish happened to me is कि जैसे engineering की पढ़ाई शुरू हुई, it's okay if you don't go out to play. I think that impedes. 9th, 10th के बाद I remembered my worst memories are being like, okay, I can't go out to play because I have to go for the coaching center. That's unfair and cruel in my opinion. And obviously parents get that idea from whom? Schools. स्कूल में बोला जा रहा है कि अच्छा बच्चे अब थोड़ा ना खेलने आ सकते हैं, अब तो उनको घर बैठ के उसके लिए वो करना है.
I mean, from the community.
Yeah, like and I think that you lose touch, and that these habits continue on, like the health issues and the mental instability, because if you're not among the people who live around you और तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है उनका, I think you become incomplete human beings. आगे जाके तुम और isolated हो जाते हो. Your lack of empathy, which sometimes I see a lot, comes from the fact कि you're not among or around the people who are around you. तुम्हें उनका वो नहीं. ये मेरा व्यू पॉइंट
You're
है.
kind of touching on this thing I said. I was going to say include mental health as well. You're saying physical health, also mental health to an extent.
Yeah, no, that's my point. Like
Yeah.
through interacting with the people around you, I want my
Exactly.
child to go through college and school and be aware कि ये मेरी क्लास के बच्चे हैं और ये मेरी जगह से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. And the teacher should like interact and like explain things that ये हो रहा है इनके life में. This you should why certain types of, like, I wish somebody talked to us about bullying, that it's cruel what we are doing to a child, to a kid. एक बच्चे के family में कुछ हो रहा है और they have a physical deformity है उनकी, so it's not cool or okay. Like कोई religious issue आ रहा है उनका, it's not cool or okay to make fun of it just because you don't understand it. वो type of things जो लोग बाहर से negative pick कर रहे हैं, I think the value education, if it's more than religion based, say more society based or sociologically,
so like
I think that would be very, because that would be important to remove some of the hate from
teaching
kids,
people kids that you should not be thinking this way, to put your pressure on yourself for this or this.
Like I want a kid to be like, मैं आज स्कूल आया, मैंने आज एक बड़ा objectionable post बोला about a certain community, and if the child shares it, I want them to be able to take it to school, but someone is able to explain okay, this is why this bias is held, let me explain so and so bias. So essentially, to wrap up my point, only thing I'd want changing about school is curriculum का change वगैरह तो यार will come gradually. अभी भी जो बच्चे accounting पढ़ रहे हैं, they are learning the ledger system which does not technically exist anymore. Nobody does thing on वो. That will only happen. Individual fields will find out when to change curriculum, and it will as a society go. But I wish immediate change that we can do among our kids, as we are in the middle of a health pandemic also. The school lessons should focus on physical and mental health of the kids as well.
Yeah.
That's it.
You took one of mine, but
and secondly, I had one more point. Our education is too focused on competitiveness, and that is one of the things I've noticed. At least I don't want to target any group of people, but like it is sad to say that when I worked with specifically people from South Asia, one of the things that I noticed was the fact that that even in the team there is a nature of competitiveness.
Even but it's population it's population density, na. These are South Asia का common history क्या है? Very high population and low opportunity. That's why I said in the beginning, like half of problems are also based on the situation that is there, right? And especially when you worked outside.
But sadly, that goes on to all the levels, right? How can you have a team-based thinking if you're competing with your own teammates?
Yeah,
that is the biggest issue I used to have in masters with people when I used to work on projects.
No, definitely we understand the symptom of the thing, but अगर हम कुछ बदलने या even remotely चाहते हैं, we have to understand root क्या है इसका. Like I said, crabs in a barrel in the beginning based on that. 100 जॉब है और उसके लिए 10 करोड़ लोग लड़ रहे हैं. Like obviously the attitude of everyone, like we can blame our Three Idiots का one part which was always the flip side of it was, which I remember my dad saying is कि अच्छा then what do you expect me to ask you to do? Not try and become successful. क्या तू यहाँ बैठा रहेगा? Like I remember like that thing, like कि अच्छा ठीक है, parents pressure डालते हैं, that is there, fair enough, पर क्यों करते हैं? They are not just outright evil for no reason, right? That mentality does not come purely because there is a overarching thing that's going on. So that's why I said like gradually as things change, as the country itself some becomes more prosperous, there is more development, there are more technological, it's going to change. But that's why I said, like, the most immediate thing in my opinion would be individuals में वो बदलाव लाना है कि my career is not my career से भी ज़्यादा मेरा intellectual growth के alongside I need to build these other things as well, because at the highest level that's what's going to keep you ticking, is my opinion.
So the other course I would say to add is like basic life course, meaning like how to file taxes, how do banks work, learn about this. Because like I didn't know about this until honestly I reached university. Like, okay, this is a bank account. This is how I manage it. This is
Tax I didn't know until I started, only when I started working only.
Yeah, exactly. Like I'm in Abu Dhabi, I'm in UAE where there's no tax. So I am never going to learn how to do tax until I move somewhere like US where I have to learn about tax. Like, Arnav, you have to fill out tax. Did you have, like, when you started, any idea on how to do it?
So mera is a slightly different perspective. I don't think these should be part of your education system, because eventually one doesn't need to learn ये सारी चीजें, to be honest. All these things are very 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 rudimentary things जो आपको सब कुछ आज के टेक के भरोसे सब कुछ हो जाता है. You have to click few buttons and you can file the tax, which is going to be a system in India also. India में there's so many bunch of applications, they don't have to learn how to file taxes.
Yeah.
So
अभी
all
मैंने
these
पापा
things,
के भरे हैं, the documents were sent all via email and the CA does, I mean some other third person does it, but they are also doing it online.
yeah, so now there are platforms where individual can do all these things very very easily. So teaching all these things in school doesn't make sense, but I think to Kevin's and Amrit's point, which was also one of the major points of the education policy, they need to have a holistic approach towards education and less focus on exams. So right now, India में जो structure है exams का is like 10+2. So one of your major exams happens, which are like board exams at 10th grade and then 12th grade. So they are trying to break that model as well by creating, I think, different silos like 5, 3, 3, 2 or something like that. So it's going to be now preschool or some school and then middle school, then secondary school and then high school. Something on those terms. Exactly, मुझे याद नहीं है वो सब. But and वहाँ पे भी हर level पे exams होंगे. So like at the age of 5 or 6, they will have some sort of national exam. That's their vision. I don't know उसमें से कितना implement हो पाएगा. But so I think that also trains students that भाई 10th is not the end goal or 12th is not the end goal. You're used to giving exams since day one. And also one other thing which they mentioned was if you don't, I think कि अगर आप board exams में you can take it twice a year or something like that, which was slightly weird. जो समझ में नहीं आया पूरा concept कि basically if you don't do well or if you were not prepared, you can take another time. And another thing they mentioned was
अभी भी है ना, supplements है ना,
but that's when you fail.
That's not particularly
yeah, and that happens right after, like after a couple of months you have to give your supplement papers. Another point which they made was making the exams easy, which is again a very vague way to say. I think that they literally said that in the policy, and I don't know how it's possible to make the exam easy.
See, again, that will be such a relative thing, right? Because it will be like,
that's what I was about to say. It's all relative.
A paper can be okay. Assume हम 4 लोग exam देने आते हैं. Me and Kevin can come and say कि paper बड़ा आसान था, ये कैसे हो गया? But 2 of you can still come and say no, I still found the level quite hard. So.
Exactly. So I think their intention is still on the right track.
You say the exam was easy?
क्योंकि मेरे स्क्रीन में मैं और केविन इस तरफ थे.
Anyway, carry on.
No, but
what were you saying?
But yeah, on the same point, जो the competition वाला point था, उसका problem is it's a cycle, right? India में there are very few premier institutions. वहाँ पे enter करने के लिए you need 99.9% and cutoff is at 99% वहाँ पे. So if you as a parent, सबके parent चाहेंगे कि अरे यार बच्चे मेरे best school में जाए या best college में जाए, जो भी. So you need to get those 99% just to enter, right? So India needs more of those premier institutions, good colleges. So it's a cycle. It's not just one कि भाई school अच्छा हो जाएगा तो everything work out. India still needs to invest on infra side, teacher side. And I think one of the, again, back since we were talking so much about policy, another policy point which they mentioned was teachers को कैसे training देनी है, which is extremely important schools में. Like we are all saying कि अरे ये करना चाहिए, but at least मेरे school में there were a bunch of teachers who were literally useless. उनका कोई, like especially for physical education is the least of the concern school में, which is a complete
Do you think
bullshit.
that's in
Yeah.
a correlation? Basically, if you pay teachers well enough, they'll probably be there's more incentive for
Yeah.
them to be
No,
like,
Probably.
the
okay,
standards are
Definitely.
such much lower, na? Like you can be
yeah,
the teachers training part. See, it's a ironic thing. Arnav ने अभी teachers का point उठाया. Teachers training in India literally अभी कैसे होती है? How do you become a professorship वगैरह मिलती कैसे तुम्हें? You give the NET exam, ठीक है? जो तुम अपनी basic masters करने के आदि उसके पहले तुम एक teachers diploma ले जाते हो. And Arnav is talking about a very entitled city person's opinion of it. Majority of people in villages, there is like one school which have like क्या कहते हैं मैं क्या करूँ 5 स्कूल और 1-2 टीचर होंगे जो ऊपर नीचे घूम रहे होंगे उसमें
yeah. I watched
सो
Super 30.
टीचर ही नहीं है ये एसेंशियली सुपर
True. Yeah. But I
हाँ,
think
वही
वो जो even जो villages के teachers होते हैं वो those all are like appointed.
या एंड
So
गम एंड एज इट
I had a teacher.
हाँ केविन
I had a teacher who told me that classroom में सीख अब मेरे ट्यूशन में आ जाओ और सिखा दूंगी. So
भाई
that is one of
तू
the
बात कर
things
रहा
that has to
है
change.
माय अंकल हु वाज अ हेडमास्टर इन अ रूरल विलेज स्कूल वन ऑफ माय फर्स्ट encounters with and in a state like उस वक्त हम केरला में थे मेरे अंकल चाचा जी वहाँ पे थे and he was telling us like he has to go and he was the headmaster there and he in their village क्योंकि obviously my dad's family सब वो तो अभी भी उसी गांव में रहते हैं ना he was telling me and there the way they would have to go around and gather the teachers school के उन उसमें आने के लिए and they're still where there is push from the state government for policies कि like students के education के लिए like तुम्हें teachers आने चाहिए they can be held accountable. I was reading a very thoroughly depressing book which okay was written 20 years ago पर वो everyone loves a good drought जो है उसमें they were talking about the rural areas where the size of the state itself is very huge like you look at अनडिवाइडेड उत्तर प्रदेश एरिया ओडिशा वेस्ट बंगाल छत्तीसगढ़ ये मीडिया मध्य प्रदेश जहाँ पे so many of our tribal communities who are much more in number than the rest of वो वहाँ पे एक स्कूल में बच्चे पढ़ाने के लिए कोई नहीं है
ratio has always been
उनके पास
off.
तो करिकुलम की बात भी नहीं आती
Yeah, ratio तो बहुत खराब है.
like it's like blatantly like वही उनको there's a huge generation of people who are just never going to even see the light of day of whatever education is. That's one of the reasons why merely the mental health part of it becomes so much more important so that people have essential empathy and understand the differences
But I
in
think
situation.
all those points that you mentioned, it will also matter how they teach. You cannot have a class on a mental health. It's not going to work. If you think
No,
about a 5th or 6th-year-old grade, they don't give a damn about all these things. They want to go and play. They want to have fun. They want to ये सब करना है हमको, right?
that's
So
I said
it
na
depends on how you build a
you can
group.
never introduce any of those like वो मैंने कहा ना like there is that's why I said the existing thing is called value education वगैरह होता है classes में ethics का एक focus आता है हम अपने civil servant से ethics पे लिखवाते हैं तो बच्चों को हम ethics तो सिखा सकते हैं ना essentially अब वो अब जी again it will be controversial कि whose ethics are we going to follow
No, not
but
only that, I don't think you can teach kids because kids are not in that frame of mind. Well, we are saying कि बच्चों को moral science की class होती है,
Kevin,
but none of the kids.
sorry, Arnav, हम next week social dilemma discuss करने वाले हैं. We're going to talk about information किस तरह मिलती है. Let us be like you said something that kind of proves that also. Everyone knows how to pay a bill online. Next generation, they will all know how to open a laptop and be like, अच्छा, अभी housing tax, जैसे someone who lives in, whose parents are in Delhi. हाउसिंग टैक्स मेरे फैमिली वगैरह ऑनलाइन भरवाते हैं मेरे दोस्तों के पेरेंट्स वगैरह को भी आता है लॉग इन करके हाउस टैक्स पे करना दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट नीड टू नो द फुल अकाउंटिंग ऑफ इट गवर्नमेंट भी आसान कर चुकी है पेटीएम का ऐप बहुत लोगों के लिए कर देता है
Yep.
so the next generation will know that so they will already have access to information and they will have access to mental health issues as well depression is not going to be an uncommon word जैसे हमारे लिए था you are right when me and you were 10 somebody says depression हमें लगेगा मजाक है but there are a huge amount of kids now who are being admitted to those things as well and it's a urban
Yeah.
thing definitely but it is going there is always these problems always trickle down as well is my point.
Yeah, true, definitely. So I think उसका again that's my opinion. There's no black and white इसमें कि I think Kevin ने वो point बताया which is so true कि they should be focused more on the teamwork, team projects to learn how to accept each other, right? Rather than कि नहीं we have fighting for that n number.
Correct.
It's like working together.
Absolutely.
Because if you think about depression, anxiety, all these are part because when you live in isolation or you have some uh,
That is the
stuff
thing.
which happened to you, right?
We shouldn't go with them as that thing, but it should all the like mera personal as a human being approach ये है कि when a person is balanced in what they want and physically they are balanced as well, your mental health has a good thing to be nurtured in it also. Like I think imbalance in general, like one of and ये थोड़ा this might be oddly this might be oddly off-putting for people, but the Ayurved का एक balance बोलते हैं दोषों का in a human being's body, and a lot of it is about कि बात ये नहीं है कि कौन सा दोषा ज्यादा है कम है, but it's about if a balance that is maintained, that if even one is off, the others are going to like go get
Yeah, in
much
Ayurveda
worse.
में अगर एक भी दोषा off होता है, it's not you're not
the
balanced.
cause of disease is अगर तुम्हारे वाटा पिटा या काफा दोषा के बीच में अगर कोई issue आ जाता है, that's when the reservoir gets off. So in my opinion that's the thing. Mental health का मैं simplest solution नहीं बोलूँगा, because who knows. But like just to offset it from a young age,
I think community building और ये सब चीजें are very extremely important, which are still there in Indian villages, because communities are small, they are so tightly knit. So I think वो aspect एक school में भी आना चाहिए. How to actually I think they should teach them how to go out, maybe in slums, right? Maybe how to have उन वहाँ के बच्चों से कैसे बात कर सकते हैं.
वो अर्बन रूरल डिस्कनेक्ट हटाओ, और या अर्बन एरियाज के अंदर भी जो स्लम्स है इट शुडंट बी कि तुम अपने वो सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं आना चाहिए तुम्हारे दिमाग में कि जस्ट बिकॉज यू लिव इन अ फैंसियर प्लेस यू कैन ट्रीट समबडी एल्स, एंड दैट वुड बी सो मच it would be better if it happens when at a younger age.
Yeah, especially I think all these are like younger age where you have to train them. They might not still understand uske consequences या उसका impact, even though, but you slowly, if you keep on training them over the period of जो भी schooling का उनका age है, by the time they come out of schools, they might be a much in terms of like complete adults की उम्मीद रख सकते हैं. Because right now in India, at least in India, again I don't know about Abu Dhabi, but India में they are just taught how to like get marks. That's it. आपको you have to bug all those things and that's it.
यार आपको सब्जेक्ट नहीं पता, आपको आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस मिल रही है एसेंशियली फुल लाइफ में. एंड वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज ना, जब मैं और केविन इस बात पे रैंडमली डिस्कस भी कर रहे थे जब वो यहाँ पे था, तब मैं उसे वही बोल रहा था कि इवेंचुअली अ पॉइंट विल कम इन लाइफ, बिकॉज़ ऑल ऑफ दिस साउंड्स नाइस and all of this sounds good, then the burnout rate among the mid late 20s में और वो जो people are like I'm done with this job और अब मैं कुछ और में चीज में डालने वाला हूँ is ridiculously high. Like I was like the number of people I encounter who in their late 20s or who are looking for like career change or need to go off और मुझे एक लंबी vacation के लिए जाना है, and it's increasing with each generation because the generations before us felt trapped for life. And that had all sorts of psychological issues. Ours is like somewhere stuck in the middle. So now imagine the kids coming 10 to 15 years after us. And फिर हमारे बच्चे, when they face that position, if they are put through the same pressures, societal pressures, the world seems so messed up. You're aware of all parts of it and you're so inherently sad. And this sounds terrible, but our ancients had very simple, balanced ways to deal with everything. I mean, it sounds super ridiculous and cultish, but
I was about to say our ancients.
भाई मैं तुझे बता रहा हूँ like for me when the time when I started like for understanding the logic behind some of the Ayurvedic way of looking at life, it just was very simple about if you remove all other elements that you find controversial from it, if you just look at it as, oh, if you're balanced in life, you'll somehow get through all of this. I think that is where my answer to the Arnav's question came from. Like if you just balance things out, you don't have to be extreme in anything. You don't have to be a super athlete.
Exactly.
You don't have to be a genius Einstein, or you don't have to be someone who's completely in control of their emotions.
Moderation.
None of those things. Moderation of everything is a good thing to strive towards. It's not going to happen if you just think about it, but
if not,
you put it into practice,
a glass of cow urine in the morning will solve everything.
And I think
that
that's
is
a
our segue to the next topic. Exactly.
Actually, I had one quick point to add.
Ruin the segue.
I think one of the focus, like for the open, for a better future, I think entrepreneurship is some of the major focus. But we need to like focus from a very young age that we provide the skills that are required for these people to be entrepreneurs in the future. And some of those skills involve do rotate around decision making, teamwork, uh, cognitive thinking, critical thinking, thinking out of the box, whatever it is. All these are all required for entrepreneurship, and I think you need to start that at a very early
I
age.
agree with your critical thinking type, like decision making and all. But isn't entrepreneurship like more of a branch of business studies type thing for businessmen? If you want to be a businessman, kind of thing. I might be wrong. So
I don't think there's a
Yeah,
clear
essentially,
answer
I
for
don't know,
entrepreneurship, right?
yeah, I don't think early age में वो specifics.
yeah,
I
that's what I was going to say. Isn't it more of like
Because
doesn't that
specific,
make sense for a college thing because you're going directly for one thing? You're
No,
focusing
in
on
9
one
to
major.
12th, I can understand entrepreneurship being
Uh-huh.
a thing, an added elective at
Yeah, I
least.
guess.
but
At
in
least
order to
making
get to
aware
that
of them.
entrepreneurship,
Yeah, I think what Arnav said.
in
I think what
no,
Arnav
no, I
says sums it
mean,
up. Like this, the awareness ki something like this exists
I
would be
agree with
really
Kevin.
interesting.
Decision making and everything, like he said, the critical thinking.
yeah,
Basically, that's all I think should be also be covered. But
yeah. In order to get to the entrepreneurship level, you need to build like 15, 20 other skills to get to the level that now I can be starting to learn
you're saying
entrepreneurship.
like a
But I
base
think
So
level.
that
what
is the thing
No,
that you should
the
always focus
entrepreneurship
on.
which we know, right? I think it's also we
Yeah,
have to take
that's also.
look at in context. India में अगर कोई shop खोलता है, that's a entrepreneurship.
No, yeah,
It's a business,
Yeah.
right?
yeah.
So and वहाँ पे skill set is very different than what we know of as entrepreneurship. कि अरे यार, it's a startup for us, right?
Mhm.
So I think we also have to look in context. कि India में when those things are considered small businesses, shop
And
owners,
one of
vendors.
the best part about startups का जो warning Kevin's point is even more proven by the 99% startups जो even even inside India जो centrally funded schemes के अंदर भी आने के बाद भी fail होते हैं. They show
That's everywhere, yeah.
no, but I'm saying centrally funded. There's a huge difference. बाहर अगर तुम्हें somebody else finds your idea good or I'm talking about people who are supported by a willing government also, but because of basic lack of अच्छा concept है, but I do not know how to talk or convince someone of my idea or like on a day-to-day basis come to work. Where Kevin's point becomes even true. But Kevin, I think that's more of a subset at a certain age.
Yeah.
अगर हम introduce करें उसको.
Correct.
But
I think
yeah,
critical
Now
thinking ये सारी
second-
चीजें it will sorry.
No, no.
Critical thinking
Arnav,
है these things
पहले
will
तो research
keep
पहले
on.
तो research तो करता है नहीं अब दूसरा point लेके
Now
भटके
he's
जा रहा है
You guys ruined my
अब
segue.
इसको बात करनी है अब इसको बात करनी है इस बारे
I
में
can talk for next half an hour. Okay, anyways, Akash, continue.
फालतू वेला अपने आप आ गया घुस के अब पूरा टेंशन झाड़
I
रहा
would just like to mention Amrit also sent the document to all of us. When I saw it was 60 pages, I said, "What the hell? I'm not reading this shit." What about Villa? Well, that's also there. But anyway, next
हमारा
topic.
लोगो चेंज हुआ लोगो चेंज
No,
हुआ
no, that we have to discuss at a later point.
ओके
But thank you for bringing it up to the audience that we're going to change our logo.
अच्छा मुझे लगा हमारा
Wow,
ग्रेट
क्या
रिवील
reveal
होगा
था
ये
अपना।
Yeah, what a
Nice.
reveal! What a reveal!
बहुत
Anyway.
अच्छा था आर्टिस्ट वाज अमेजिंग गुड जॉब
Yes, thank you. Even though I didn't draw it, but thank you. Anyway,
ये
second
घर की
topic.
बात तो घर की बात है ना घर की बात है क्या फर्क पड़ता है किसी को thank कर लिया
On that
हमने।
note, second topic, Amrit. Amrit had a very interesting topic which I had to also research a lot on.
अच्छा okay,
And Arnav did a lot of
I,
research as well.
I should have written this topic long ago but it depressed me so much that I wanted like to have a small conversation about it. हम सब Indian sports में especially somewhat हमें idea है even though actually हम में से किसी को कोई idea नहीं है life में but I read a very depressing article about how जब recently India की जो chess team है वो they won a very prestigious chess Olympiad जो एक group chess competition होता है and उसमें एक small controversy हुई थी around their victory. Basically क्या हुआ था कि जो final था उसमें हमारे दो स्पोर्ट्समैन का इंटरनेट खराब हो गया which broke my heart. Like I just feel like it was so embarrassing for me to even think like हमारी national team के players have to face such an issue. Chess, as many people might be aware or not aware, has had a resurgence in the last 6 months. All the prominent chess players have been holding online competitions right, left and center, and so many chess sportsmen whom nobody ever mentions have been like getting वो like not from just the वो प्रज्ञानंदा वाले बच्चों का भी नहीं, like mid-20s में जो है विदित गुजराती जैसे players, female players who have been doing well like P Harika and Conner Humphrey वगैरह, legends of the sport. But the fact that our team में दो players का match got disconnected and then the Russians were asked कि अच्छा are you okay with sharing the prize, and we were like हाँ, they also agreed to it. It made me thoroughly depressed कि यार ये ऐसे कंपटीशन के लिए हम स्टेडी इंटरनेट भी नहीं दे सकते यार अपने प्लेयर्स को, यार ये हमारे टॉप
क्यों उनके
एथलीट्स
पास
हैं.
फाइबर नहीं था?
Yeah, I was going to say, do we know who their internet service
No,
provider is?
because this through पता नहीं, that was not
I'm
revealed.
guessing it's BSNL. Yes, I knew it.
ए मजाक मत उड़ा गवर्नमेंट सर्विस
Oh,
के.
sorry.
First of all, government ने तो gotten rid of everything.
I see
Instead
Kevin
of
does
improving.
protest a little too much. Kevin, do you have
सही में
BSNL?
ना?
है ना? No, I'm supporting the public sector like every Indian should
So
be.
basically, Kevin has BSNL. Let's move on. Amrit, you were talking.
हाँ, तो at that point I realized like Vishwanathan Anand was also part of the like वो team के setup में थे, and I was like who is the most underrated sportsman of India, and like before, and I just thought कि this next generation of kids will not know any of their names unless तुम sports page के last page में देखो. Like अगर मैं आज का अखबार by chance हाथ में उठाऊं and I just look at the last page, it's like भयंकर तरीके से आईपीएल की ऐसी कवरेज है. मुझे फोन पे कॉल करके बताया जा रहा है कि आज आईपीएल स्टार्ट हो रहा है. आई फील सैड फॉर एनी पर्सन जो चेस वेस में है. एंड बिफोर वी गेट इनटू दैट, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू दैट, आई जस्ट वांट टू सेलिब्रेट the underrated sportsmen that we know. It can be any sport, it can be an obscure sport, but they have to be an Indian sportsman. For me, I chose the person who made me think about it, Vishwanathan Anand. People should just know कि वो हमारे सबसे पहले ग्रैंड मास्टर थे 32 years ago. पूरे इंडिया के पहले ग्रैंड मास्टर 32 years ago. अ स्पोर्ट जिसमें सिंगल हैंडेडली ही फोर्स लाइक द रशियन प्रेसिडेंट टू से कि ऐसा यू पुतिन या किसी ने उससे पूछा था कि ये तुमने सीखा कहाँ से, एंड ही सेड आई लर्नड इट फ्रॉम ऑब्जर्विंग द रशियंस. एंड उसका पॉइंट, एंड he was so flummoxed, he said, so we called this upon ourselves. Like he's gone to the most hostile conditions. He has been thoroughly underappreciated. If people don't remember Chennai floods ke time, he opened his house to people to move in and dig there. And he has been so super supportive of younger talent, training with them, not and just ensuring that world stage mein Magnus Carlsen obviously has been a phenom who has taken over completely, but Vishwanathan Anand has ensured that an Indian has always been at the forefront of an entire sport, and he's probably going to be forgotten by the next generation because he's not the most flamboyant or opinionated sportsman from India, even though he's won pretty much everything that we offer. But Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna तो he won in 1991, 92. And I think उन्हें पद्म विभूषण मिला है. I think he should be given the Bharat Ratna for like sheer longevity यार, for 30 to 40 years at being a relevant top player किसी भी sport में is unbelievable. 30 plus years. He was a grandmaster in 1988 और अभी वो chess olympiad वगैरह और उन सारे बड़े-बड़े चीजों में है. Like that
the sad
is
part is
incredible.
the sport which you mentioned, unfortunately lots of people don't even consider chess as sports in India at least.
Yeah, I know. Like, and I
That's
get
the
it.
unfortunate.
I get that people want to say it in don't go इसमें physical activity नहीं है वो है. But I think this was a lot more about, and इनको जब हम Olympics देखते हैं, कोई sports देखते हैं, you want to see the Indian win, right? मेरे लिए वो है. I don't particularly may not find the sport interesting. I don't find shooting as a sport interesting, but I want the Indian guy to win.
Yeah.
जब ओलंपिक्स आता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आता पॉइंट क्या, गोली लेके स्टेशनरी टारगेट नॉर्मली कहाँ दिखने वाले तुम्हें. बट आई वांट द इंडियन गाय एज लॉन्ग एज यू सी दैट गाय. एंड इट मेड मी सो सैड कि हमारे बंदों के पास अच्छा इंटरनेट नहीं था. सो आई वांटेड टू instead focus on positive things. And Vishwanathan Anand, if whoever listens to this, look him up. Great human, great Indian, and one of the finest sportsmen to come from our country. अब तुम लोग बताओ, whom did you get from your scoop whoop article? Akash, go.
So I was very informed on this straight away from the get-go when you suggested this topic to me. I had so many names in mind. Thanks to my friends on scoopgroup.com, not sponsors of the episode, but scoopgroup.com. Kevin, you put me on this path from our whatever. What was the most inspirational movies topic or whatever rubbish topic we talked about? I mean, beautiful topic we talked about. So I got a lot of names I've never even heard of, which just proves more to Amrit's point. But these are like special. I've got one name in particular, Special Olympic winner, 2-time gold medalist, Sita Sahu, who won a 200 meter and a 400 meter relay race in 2011 on the Special Olympics. And
Nice.
she's a gold medal winner. And you'd expect Special Olympics aren't, to be honest, not given much importance. Like no one really knows much about the Special Olympics. Even I can say that I don't even know much about this.
Yeah, same. We all are part of it. It's
Yeah,
not
we're
like
all part of the problem, but it's a
And the
big deal
fact
to
is
these
कि
people.
it's a big deal to win a gold because
Yeah.
and if you think about a regular Olympics, अगर कोई एक medal भी जीता है ना इंडिया का चाहे bronze या silver, even that becomes a big news. And unfortunately यहाँ पे someone जिनको gold मिला है, we don't even know their name.
Exactly.
That goes on to show कि भाई क्या हाल है.
So a 2-time winner,
Yeah.
a gold medal winner in the Special Olympics, and she actually went back to obviously all the Olympic winners in India got like all these prizes, like take some money if you did really well, le crore,
Yeah.
1 crore le. But this person, I mean, she went back to selling golgappas on the street. She didn't have
Crazy.
money.
It's so sad.
And it's just crazy, like 2-time gold medal. That just showed me, like, even I'm guilty of this, that we should actually reward even everyone that achieved something, no matter if it was in the Special Olympics. It's still a huge thing. A 2-time gold medal winners.
Anyone who looks down on the Special Olympics,
Exactly.
they should go and stand next to them and try doing what they're doing.
Yeah.
Why? They're still athletes. Okay, let us be very clear about that. They're
It's not even more strong-willed.
And getting
Even more
Yeah,
strong-willed
no,
than the
okay,
regular
no,
athletes.
remove strong-willed from it. More physically is better as well, bhai. ये जो specially able athletes है उनके physical things, it's even if you're specially abled, हम world का population इतना है that your skill set still has to be very high, bro. Like you can't just waltz into any Olympic event anywhere and just like win anything,
Correct.
much less two multiple wo. I think I have never seen a Olympian look unhealthy or anything like that. They are at the peak fitness in their discipline. So.
And she was actually promised a cash reward, but she never got it as well. So it's just a very, like, when I read about it, it was a very like sad story. Like, I'm like, man, I should probably watch the Special Olympics as well. I'm guilty. I didn't watch. I hardly watch the
यार
Olympics.
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं होते
Akash,
कब होते हैं Special Olympics.
नहीं Akash, it's not just that none of us would know. Like तू अकेला guilty भी नहीं है, बात वो भी नहीं है, and it's just that things like this are the things we should.
Media doesn't promote it.
It's not media. It's part of society.
Nahi,
Yeah. We
Kevin, you
cannot
can't
blame
say that. That's a
society.
very people don't care. Like majority of
exactly.
people will read that,
Yeah,
they smile
correct.
and walk away. So that's my point. Like I'm very
No,
happy
media and society both,
that
and us as
we are
including. We are
society.
not promoting it.
Kevin, we are
Yeah, so-
society. We और कोई
Yeah.
society नहीं है. That's why I said
But
I'm
let's
very
be honest,
happy.
अगर ESPN पे कभी आता है, I'm sure कि बहुत ही कम लोग देखने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
भाई,
and-
okay, अर्नव, बहुत कम लोग छोड़, हम 4 नहीं देखेंगे, मैं तुझे लिख के दे
Yeah.
सकता हूँ.
Yeah,
It's true.
which is
बहुत तो और किसकी बात बोल रहे हो? So
It's
that's
the
my point.
same
Like
for women's sports.
Akash has done something very important by like हमारा at most only thing we can do is bring light to it on our platform. But yeah, Akash, very amazing pick.
even
Very
though
good
that
pick.
was not your intention, but good job.
Exactly. I touched people's hearts, you know.
ओहो,
भाई,
किसी और का ही हार्ट टच किया तूने अभी बस.
मैं sure नहीं हूँ, but still.
Idiot.
Partial, sir.
Anyway, Kevin, you go. We'll save the best for last.
I recommended Shiny Abraham
Johnny
because
Abhi, again? Okay, no, I'm kidding.
वो एक
Kevin
he
वो
can't
सिर्फ
run
गोल
100
वो सिर्फ
meters,
गोल
I'm
मूवी
sure.
में था. That was not a true story. That was just
No, I said Shiny Abraham.
His struggle wasn't
And
real.
we have all heard about, obviously, the same period there was PT Usha, and we have always heard about PT Usha. And she actually got recognition almost immediately. But there was one more person who was competing, and with PT Usha as a second, and she captained the '92 Olympics as well, and that was Shiny Abraham, and she held on to the 800 meters record for 14 years. And it took her about 15 years for the government to recognize her achievements, which means like when government doesn't recognize these achievements, they have a lot of financially itself they don't get any kind of recognition, right? Because when their fame increases, then only they get the extra incentives that come with that fame. So 15 years for someone who has represented over 78 games internationally and 4 Olympics and 3 Asian Games, etc. It took them 15 years to identify someone like that. And the strange part is that someone like PT Usha, who ran at the same time, who came from the same academy, from the same place, got the recognition, but she didn't get. So it is a little bit of an unfair agreement. Definitely read up on Shiny Abraham a little bit, and it'll also motivate us. Like Akash said, like we don't follow a lot of the women's sports. That's very unfair from what we are doing.
Yeah,
but
true.
Something that we will know. We'll hopefully at least 4 of us can change, and hopefully our listeners will also give credit to some of these athletes who deserve it a lot more.
No, I think yes. Even मुझे तो इंडिया में honestly पता ही नहीं है कि women athletes का state क्या है, like which sports they are part of. I have honestly no clue.
You should look at cricket team.
Women's
of
cricket
Dangal,
is going up.
No, okay, let's remove cricket.
It's
Cricket is an
amazing.
exception.
Yeah.
But
दंगल की
but
वजह
we
से
don't give
women's
them credit.
wrestling is and Mary Kom की वजह से women's boxing पे थोड़ा buzz है.
I noticed
I
you
don't
didn't
think
say.
and the badminton team
Archery.
has Sindhu.
What?
Then
Deepika Kumari.
Why didn't you
Deepika
say
Kumari-
Sultan? I just wanted to know.
I haven't seen the movie. I never saw
This
it.
is
Please don't
blatant.
insult.
Bhai, I am sorry.
Please don't
This is
insult these
blatant.
athletes with that movie.
This is blatant favoritism going on here. Say sorry to Bhai right now.
किसका भाई?
Please don't run over us
Aye,
again.
Law,
Leave the footpath alone.
lawsuit तेरे
First,
पास ही
that
आएगा
is the
भाई.
best thing you
Lawsuit
can
तेरे
do for
पास ही
people.
Akash,
आएगा.
if you think we have enough listeners to get lawsuit, na?
Ganta, I live in a country where I'm allowed to speak these things. That is part of my constitution.
The only person who can sue us is Amrit because he's the only listener of the show right now.
अरे मैं भी नहीं सुना last
I have the right to hold.
हाँ, but Arnab बोल.
He's googling it now.
Arnab, I gave you plenty of time. I said last person.
Oh, can I
अभी वो बोलेगा सचिन तेंदुलकर.
can I say Pansing Tomar? But he was an actual athlete. Don't
Okay,
laugh,
it's
yaar.
better than.
अच्छा. Yeah, everyone who
Yeah,
hasn't
okay,
watched
to be-
all the young, if anyone's younger and haven't watched Pansing Tomar, go and watch that movie.
Good movie.
अच्छा,
But okay, I don't
अच्छा.
know. मैंने ज़्यादा research नहीं किया, but I want to give one answer. Kabaddi team. To be fair, like they have been winning World Cup at least past 3-4
But
times.
they have a pro league. What more do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah, still no one knows about the freaking Kabaddi team. वो
What is
हमेशा
it called?
World Cup जीत के
Is
लाते
it
हैं.
KPL? What is it?
Pro Kabaddi League.
Pro Cup,
PKL. PKL.
हाँ, उसमें अभिषेक बच्चन की टीम है.
Yeah.
Actually, that's a
अलग
जयपुर
Google करके बोल.
जयपुर की टीम
Jaipur
और इसकी
Panthers.
है.
Jaipur Panthers.
You don't
Of
have
Jaipur Pink
muscles
City,
to flex,
something like that.
Arnav. Arnav, it looks very weird when you try to flex. I
क्यों?
genuinely,
किसी को दिख तो ना रहा है.
I mean, मुझे दिख रहा है ना. I just saw.
Who
it
cares
was very
about you?
creepy.
अपने audience को नहीं दिख रहा. But anyways, I think that's a good point कि वो जब से pro kabaddi league आई है, luckily they got some footage, but still as a national team, I
भाई,
don't know if they are monetized.
इसलिए तो नहीं, but they still, that's much better than what existed before ना, because it's on Star Sports वगैरह भाई. You can say anything you want. As more people watch it, even if they have a niche show, they had amazing क्या कहते हैं, with celebrities into it. It has a very good following, and that's why the volleyball team और basketball team के captains ने भी कहा था ना कि अगर तुमने इनके लिए start कर लिया तो हमारे other major sports के लिए start करो. But that's a separate topic for separate day. आकाश पे transition कर.
No, one more point I want to make कि अभी अपन बात कर रहे थे कि ये सारी चीजें कि
Amrit, that was so bad.
इनको फेम नहीं मिलता है and everything. At least the India की sad reality है कि there are millions of people who are working equally hard, if not
Mhm.
and they don't get even basic food on their table at night, right? So it's easy for us to say कि उस athlete को, जैसे for example केविन ने अभी शाइनी अब्राहम का नाम लिया, उनको अगर इंसेंटिव नहीं मिला है, वो मिला है, I know it's unfortunate, they should get it, I'm not saying कि नहीं मिलना चाहिए, but it's also a very hard thing for a country like India at least, जहाँ पे
Yeah, Kevin.
millions of लोगों को अभी खाना नहीं
Okay,
है.
it is a sad story, but if you go into bureaucratic
No.
executive के failures.
No, I'm talking about comparison. I'm talking about comparison. I'm not saying that I'm not comparing them to a poverty,
नहीं, and
someone who's
that
going through poverty.
Kevin,
I'm
उसका भी
comparing,
बहुत
like, for
simple
example, okay, Sachin Tendulkar. He retired and he got, before retirement also he got. Look at Mohanlal, Shah Rukh Khan,
It's
and all these people who are actors. They have barely done anything for the nation as per se, like the hard work. They are getting paid for what they're doing. A lot of money for what they're doing.
what
But they get rewards even before their career has even taken a peak or anything. But like these people have actually represented us, and it takes us 15 to 16 years to award them with something that they deserve. That is a very sad story.
because
It's not even about poverty.
True.
no,
Because it's a
also
clear favoritism
no,
that we're
because
doing.
also I think PT Usha was
And
a
discrimination.
much more media friendly story, and I think compared to Shiny Abraham, that will be simply
Correct.
there because, and also you have to understand, हमारे लिए there has to be something about Milka Singh story. Maybe while he doesn't win, he's like that close to winning. So even if the record is held, if there is no medal story behind it or something like that, then it doesn't catch the popular imagination the same way. And whatever we say, we are currently in a very single sport obsessed phase still. तो
Mhm.
दूसरे
and
sports
it's
में
I
you
don't think
need
we should
individual
blame
stories.
like all these actors and Indian cricketers कि अरे वो क्यों कुछ नहीं कर रहे, because
No.
yeah, I
They
don't
have no
think
obligation ना, उनकी lottery लग गई ना यार, तो they don't
No, I didn't
particularly feel
blame
वो.
them.
Because it's the
I
same
didn't
thing
blame them. I'm
whenever
saying it's unfair.
yeah, it's 100% you're correct, is unfair, but it's the same thing as I say about like other
Yeah.
topics which I don't want to bring up again. We are again the people. हम बनाते हैं किसी को स्टार और हम
Correct.
बनाते हैं किसी को फेल. हम दूसरों को मुड़ के I don't no longer feel comfortable saying कि ये लोग ऐसे क्यों हैं. हम like I said, 4 of us wouldn't watch a differently abled person's match.
I mean, if you think about it, वो same चीज अभी US में नहीं होती because US के अभी fundamental problems वो नहीं है, right? So US have at least उस part में they have cleared everything out. Like उनको basic necessities of वो सब, they have a system in place, they have a structure in place जहाँ पे ये सब already होता है. So now they can award all these different sports. India has still not reached that stage. So whichever sells, उसी को award मिलता है. अब cricket sells, hockey used to be like that. If you have read about it, like hockey was India's like big thing, right? Everyone used to follow hockey. India used to do so well usme. They used to, but again, it's a phase, right? So
But hockey is still considered
hopefully
the
things
national
will
sport,
improve.
right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Hopefully things will improve.
Yeah, for sports all around. Anyway, next topic. Thank you for your very informative pick, Arnav. The whole kabaddi.
Thank you.
Whole of
Singh
kabaddi.
Tomar.
Also, I watched a lot of kabaddi. I watched the movie Pardes, where there was a kabaddi scene, and that was the amount of kabaddi. I mean, wasn't there a kabaddi going to be Olympics in the Olympics? Wasn't there a rumor? I just wanted to ask that before. I thought there was.
I don't think so, but might
It would
be.
be great if it
as
was.
First they introduced these sports as वो ना ऐसे दिखाने के लिए. दिखाने के लिए seems very wrong, but like demonstrative purposes, and then it becomes an official IOC sport because you need a certain number of countries to play it.
And I guess I don't know how many countries play kabaddi.
Akash, transition career.
Transitioning to another topic. So the console wars are back on. We got, I think, Amrit, on your birthday, the price of the PS5 was revealed.
Oh no!
Exactly, Amrit. Does that mean you are buying the PlayStation 5?
Kevin said कैसे time pass चीजें नहीं कर सकते हम. But if everyone's buying, I'll buy it. All 4 of us buy, only I'll buy.
End of the topic right here. All 4 of us buy.
I mean, I personally, I don't know, but I think Xbox is winning that race overall, right?
Price-wise?
With the cheaper version. On paper, their performance has been higher on paper.
On paper, yeah.
But I mean, one thing I always liked about PlayStation was their OS worked way more smoother. When I tried Xbox, I felt that it used to glitch a lot more. You had to restart it a lot more. This is obviously based on Xbox One, not on the new Xbox, but that is my personal opinion.
ओए टॉपिक क्या था?
PlayStation used to work a lot more.
So the topic was
P-
just on PS5, PlayStation versus Xbox, generally. So the
तो
prices have been
हमें
revealed.
अपना
So Xbox there's an Xbox Series X which costs $499, and there's an Xbox Series S which costs $299, which is very, very cheap for consoles.
Yeah.
Let me put it out there. It's not cheap
Very cheap.
otherwise, but for consoles, it's very cheap.
ये सब अमीर लोगों का खेल है अर्नव.
I mean, that's $200.
सही में ना?
Arnav is like, oh, the $299 is very expensive, but you know what? I'll buy AirPods Pro, which are also $250.
Arnav is just a bag of contradictions.
Arnav.
But yeah.
Okay.
This is very bad.
Anyways,
है ना?
But yeah,
अच्छा
$299.
आकाश
The PlayStation
ये
is.
कौन सा PS वर्जन है?
This is
Is it
5.
4 or 5?
Five.
5. Okay.
5.
So the 5.
Hi. Who are we talking this topic with?
See, Kevin did his research on this topic. Thank you, Kev. Thank you. So I was
What
gonna
basics are there?
ask if you guys have the choice to buy, if you guys want to buy, which one would you go lean towards? So the
मैं बताऊं.
first I was gonna say PlayStation 5 का price $499 and $399. Now you see
और Xbox का प्राइस क्या है?
$299 and $499.
Oh, so price is the same.
No, the cheaper version of PlayStation is $399. The cheaper
Xbox
version
is
of
the cheaper
Xbox is
version.
$299. $100.
My answer है आकाश जो तू बाय करेगा वो मैं बाय
Yeah,
करूंगा.
that's the thing. Good.
Yeah, because
even
for
if I
me
buy,
it's
you
that
guys won't buy.
I currently have Kevin's. Kevin ने wedding gift के लिए मुझे पुराना वाला उसका PlayStation दिया था.
Wedding
gift. No, he said ये wedding gift बोल के he
has
gave me
Tara-
his old PlayStation.
Tara ever used this wedding gift?
I didn't get him anything because he was getting married at like a random day
No.
when none of us
Yeah,
was there. So
but that's the thing. Kevin comes 6 to
I had
9 months
nothing
later
else.
to the house and says, "Ki, I never gave you guys a wedding gift." So I have Kevin's PlayStation for that reason, and I only play those things when people come. So for me, it's a very group and society. I'm अकेले बैठ के नहीं खेलने वाला वो, like, but since a lot of people come over, उनके साथ मैं खेलता हूँ. Like my cousin brother will come, या मेरा एक बड़ा भाई यहाँ पे आता है यार, and all the other randos अगर ऑफिस से लोग आ रहे थे और before world shutdown और कोई मेरे मार्शल आर्ट्स क्लास के जो लोग हैं वो आते हैं, they would उनको इंटरेस्ट है काफी, तो then it becomes a community based thing. And so for me, if you are buying a PlayStation and saying कि हम हफ्ते में 1-2 बार खेलेंगे some game on it together, yes, then it makes sense. Then I will be like, ठीक है. अगर तुम, I'm not ever going to have an answer which is going to be based on I need the new PlayStation.
I feel this is all misleading. If I buy a PlayStation 5, then I say, okay, you guys buy. You guys say, we'll buy it. You'll be like,
नहीं आकाश इस बार
No, but I
अच्छा,
still,
if you buy a
I still think
is
like
there a
it's
game?
a $299.
नहीं, guys, I have a specific question. If you buy ये जो game है PS5 वाली, जो इसकी PS5 वाली जो गेम है वो PS4 में नहीं चलेंगी, पूछ रहा हूँ.
अरे आकाश आई थिंक यू वांट टू गिव थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड कि अमृत ने कौन सा डिस्क इसमें प्ले किया था, देन एवरीवन विल नो.
नहीं, तू वो पूरी स्टोरी बता दे, मुझे पता है, बट मेरा एक्चुअल पॉइंट ये है, why would you want us to buy a PS5 in the first place?
Because it's easy. Like a lot of consoles don't, a lot of games don't have the cross-platform playing. Like an Xbox cannot play with a PS5. Some games don't have. They're starting that now.
Assume all of us have only PS, but different versions of it. Can we then play?
Yeah.
We can still play, right?
But I'm not sure for PS4 and PS5 because they haven't announced anything on that. But I'm guessing they will do that. But still,
like if you're asking a question like this, explain it to all of us, like especially like me and Arnav. What would be the pros and cons of it, anyways? As you're the expert here.
No. If you have a PS5 and I have a PS4, and if we both are playing FIFA 21, it will work.
It should work.
So then
it should work. They have to announce that yet. They haven't announced it yet. It should work. They haven't said.
No, as part of my the research that I did on this, one of the only things that I was like they have that all those games are backdated. So like कोई भी game.
Yeah, that's a backwards compatibility.
Backwards compatibility है, so like everything will work. So the question essentially is कि PS और Xbox में क्या choose करेंगे ना? And I have only, since I met you guys, only used PS. So I would always choose the PS for that reason. अब just getting an Xbox, which no, अगर all for only way I would ever buy an Xbox, and it's purely due to habit. If only reason I would buy an Xbox would be if you guys were buying an Xbox and saying कि हाँ हम सब Xbox पे खेल रहे हैं.
So Akash,
I have no
gaming
other reason
community
to
के
buy.
क्या उनकी advice क्या है? Which is who is winning this
See,
battle? PS
Xbox.
versus Xbox.
See, PlayStation
Xbox is
has
currently winning the battle in whatever I
in tech
read.
specs, Xbox has, but PlayStation 4 sold way more than Xbox, so it has a built-up fan base.
But PlayStation 4 was a much better console
was.
than the Xbox
It
One.
was, and when it initially came out, yeah. Now the Xbox One X,
Even on paper.
but but Xbox did a
And plus, not
huge
to
marketing
mention,
fail
also
when that happened. Xbox had a press conference.
there's a big rumor.
Wait, the Xbox had a press conference just before PlayStation saying that this console has to remain online 24/7, otherwise it won't work. Used games you cannot play used games, and the console will cost $600. So
Xbox ने बोला है?
Xbox when Xbox One
that was last year,
announcement,
right? Last
Xbox
year,
One
couple of
card.
years back. Yeah.
Xbox One.
Okay.
So PlayStation the next day had their conference and said it's not going to be online. We can play used games and we're $100 cheaper.
And अब देख
So
मुझे
they
global
stole
perspective नहीं पता,
everything.
but मैं एक बात बोलूँ, of all the India में जितने भी मैंने आज तक जो बच्चे gamers हैं, and they're usually 5 to 10 years younger than me, क्योंकि 6, 7, 8 से सबके पास अब जो बच्चे खरीद पाते हैं, जब मैं last time I have never seen an Xbox around. Everyone has a PlayStation. Like India में at least among the people I know.
That has
Kevin
been
may
Xbox's
know the
problem.
facts about among the adults. Among all the kids I know who are playing these games ridiculously now and who can afford these systems,
Xbox
especially
is more
EMI
famous
पे,
in US.
EMI में I think इनका HDFC या किसी के साथ tie up भी आ गया था. तो ये they are
Oh, nice.
blatantly selling PlayStations only. Xbox का कोई वो ही नहीं है. I know some people have Xbox. I'm not saying they don't. I have only seen more people having PlayStation. So I'm assuming for majority people of those kids, if they buy a new one, they will buy. It just against in that ecosystem. Or there is no just like कोई point नहीं है कि
Hey, I also
switch करने का.
Yeah, Kevin.
I also read that Game Pass might come with a Pornhub premium
That's
membership.
the rumor.
I mean, this might just
Everyone's
okay. Like change the whole perspective for people there.
No, for you, Kevin. Let's not talk
सही
about
में.
people.
I don't. That's not a game. That's not a game changer
Ghanta
for
ho
everyone, Kevin.
Yeah.
लोग खुल.
No, that will be a game changer for a lot of
So
people.
Game Pass, Kevin mentioned, since
Sitting in the
you
basement
mentioned Game
and
Pass.
playing.
Game Pass is an incredible service. It's basically Netflix for games. Xbox has made. So you
Oh.
pay $10 per month, $9.99 per month, and you get more than 100 Xbox games, and even the exclusive ones. So like Halo, which I don't know if you guys have heard of. It's a shooting game.
But I
All
heard
these-
that game. Okay,
Yeah.
as part, I
Will
was
be part of
I
that.
was looking at a lot of the funny games. Halo वगैरह उतना famous थोड़ा ना है अभी.
Halo is very famous in the
Oh,
America.
they're very famous.
Okay, I'm saying active.
Very famous.
I know. I've heard Americans themselves describe that Halo था, but अभी it's not. Like kids have moved on to other games.
That's because Halo
What are the
took a
Halo?
prolonged break because the developers are
See,
working
so
on.
what are the other exclusive games on the
That's the thing. On
Xbox?
Xbox, it's very hard because their exclusives. There's Forza, which is a racing game. It's a realistic racing game, simulator, driving simulator. There is a zombie game, State of Decay. There's all these small ones which they're not as big as PlayStation. Like PlayStation has Spider-Man. PlayStation.
Amrit, for us, it's not going to matter. For us,
Yeah,
it's not going to
for you
matter
guys, it's
because
not
the
gonna
games
matter.
we play is available on
Yeah,
both.
it's going to be FIFA.
Yeah, the only
and
games I
PUBG.
play are sports games.
And NBA.
I
So
play
for you
FIFA
guys,
and
it doesn't matter.
Bhai,
For
I have
people
FIFA
like me-
and NBA thanks to you guys, and PUBG because of
So
coronavirus.
Arnav mentioned a story. Let's get into it. The story of Amrit wanting to play NBA on his laptop.
Because okay, and it is a very like a very sad story also because मैंने जिंदगी में उस वक्त console खेला नहीं था. College के first year में I had never ever played.
Stop
Amrit,
explaining.
उसको
Stop
story
games.
बताने दे.
Yeah,
Stop trying to
stop
justify
trying
your
to-
situation.
yeah,
ठीक है ना?
exactly.
I'm just saying.
Amrit,
याद रखना
very
ये जब
excitedly.
when you go among these अमीर बच्चे ना ये ऐसे तुम्हें treat करते हैं. उसको क्या होता है?
Amrit very excitedly by himself orders NBA for his computer to play on his laptop. because when he found out it would run on his laptop, he got even more excited. He said, "I'm going on Amazon and buying it." He went on Amazon, bought it. Next day, it came with the whale. Amrit takes it, runs to his whatever that common seating area in carry quad was, whatever we all used to sit.
Yeah.
He runs there. Arnav is there.
No. First, let me clarify. First, Amrit tried to
No,
run
no,
it
stop
multiple
saying
times.
Arnav. Let Akash say the story.
Okay, Arnav was
No,
there.
Akash will say the
Amrit
story.
puts the disk in his laptop. The game is not running. There's no install. There's no nothing. He tries it again and again. He tries to. Then he goes to Arnav.
I tried
Arnav's
it once and asked him, how shameless.
Arnav's like, your computer is rubbish. My computer is better. It'll run on it.
No, okay, by the way, this never happened. ये कौन सी story है, Akash?
Yeah,
You just
hey,
added
stop
some...
lying, Arnav.
What bullshit, man? You just
Akash,
add my random...
Akash,
No,
Akash,
this
you
is
can't, you
perfectly.
can't even sell it well. I tried it once. Arnav sat came. I asked him. He also tried it once. Then he just looked at the CD cover and saw. You can finish the story.
The CD cover said this is a PlayStation 3 game. Clearly on the cover it says
देखो यार,
PS3.
I had life में never played on console और Amazon से order करना भी नया था. So I was just like, I typed in the name of the game, and I think I bought an old one also. I got 2K in
I don't know. You got a
2008
very
or
old
9 or
one.
something. Yeah.
You gave it to
मेरा
me
था कि
because you're like, it's not
क्योंकि
gonna
वो सब
run. Really?
Yeah, I was like,
Hey, this
मुझे
was
लगा सस्ते
2010.
I thought सस्ते में मिल रही है. नहीं, Kevin, I know why I bought the game also. सस्ते में मिल रही थी. Somebody was giving it was a 2 years minimum. That's why I got the game.
But I like
But
the
yeah,
excitement. And then I walked in to meet Amrit and Carrie, and he's just like angry. And Arnav is laughing.
My only
क्या हुआ?
happiness that entire
Blonde
event
moment.
was that at least Arnav tried it once.
So you could say
मैंने
Arnav
मतलब-
Joy.
he and Arnav had a
as
moment.
long as it wasn't just me who made the mistake, because by the time I figured it, I was like, oh ऐसे रूल्स भी होते हैं क्योंकि यार यू टू अंटिल देन हम सीडी 50 या 100 रुपए की सीडीज खरीदते थे यार, एंड दे यूज्ड टू वर्क ऑन एवरीथिंग. आई डिड नो कि तुम्हारा दिस इज लाइक अबे इससे ज्यादा एम्बैरेसिंग इवेंट तब होता ना, लाइक तो आई हैड नॉट पर्टिकुलरली इवन सीन एन एक्सबॉक्स अंटिल कॉलेज. ऐसे मैंने एक्सबॉक्स कभी नहीं करूंगा मैं. तो मेरा जो एक इंजीनियरिंग का फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का टीममेट था रॉस बटरफील्ड, उसने बोला कि आफ्टर द ग्रुप मीटिंग लेट्स गो एंड प्ले फीफा. हम दोनों यूनाइटेड फैंस थे, तो तो मैं तो यार आई हैड देन नॉट इवन प्लेड कंसोल ऑन आकाश का ऋतिक आल्सो.
And you were like,
तो
what is
उसके
this
रूम में गए.
wizardry? How are you playing this
नहीं,
console?
forget wizardry. He said रिमोट वहां पड़ा है, ऑन कर दे एंड आई क्या कहते हैं मैं अभी आता हूँ, मुझे घर पे बात करनी है. तो दिस गाय स्टेप्स आउट ऑफ द रूम. मैं इसके डॉर्म रूम में रिमोट ढूंढ रहा हूँ टीवी का. मैं टीवी का रिमोट ऑन करके मैं बैठ रहा हूँ, गेम कहाँ चलेगी. Thankfully I didn't open my mouth to say anything more stupid. He came back, he's like, bro क्या हुआ. मैंने कहा नहीं, I was just waiting for you. तू जब आएगा तब कर. Then I saw for the first time वो Xbox के बीच में एक वो सिल्वर का बड़ा नॉब होता है ना उसके कंट्रोलर में. मैं कहा oh. Then I was like, what is this
The
wizardry?
logo.
मैंने कहा ये क्या हुआ. Thankfully I didn't ask any questions then. And it was just, and भाई I couldn't even tell him कि मुझे controls की आदत नहीं ना, मुझे तो कीबोर्ड की आदत थी. कीबोर्ड में S D E W से sprint या through ball डालना, that's all I knew. ये तो ये वो R2 दबा के वो कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो. मैं ये सब भाई
मुझे भी
दुनिया
आकाश ने
बहुत
इंट्रोड्यूस
ज्यादा
करा
गई.
है गेमिंग कॉन्सोल से, बिकॉज़ बिफोर कमिंग टू पर्ड्यू आई हैड नो आईडिया ये सब.
Never.
बट आकाश के पास ये सारे कूल गैजेट्स होते थे.
अबे Akash would mention it also in that way, na, like in a very yeah. So you have to
It's a
download
normal
this
thing
from
for him,
there,
right?
and like yeah, this keeps happening. क्या किसमें which button कौन सा button?
Yeah, so I
R2
am a gamer.
अबे I never knew कि कौन से में R2 L2 उसका डिफरेंस क्या है. अबे अभय would come and tell me यार अमृत जब शूट करना हो ना तू फिनिश शॉट तुझे आता है मारना. And I would just look at him like you can't do this when we actually play football. But ये तू यहाँ पे ये तू मुझे ज्ञान बांट रहा है मुझे कि अगर तू ना R1 दबाएगा ना ऐसे बॉल घूम के जाएगी. तो यार मेरे लिए कल्चरल शॉक था वो. But I think Kalia, on that embarrassing note, you can take us home.
It was a very good embarrassing note. I loved that story. That story will never get old.
But Akash,
anyway,
I will buy PS. Let me know जब तू buy करे.
I don't know.
Yeah, Akash,
I won't
you
buy
and
it straight
Kevin
away.
are the
but
you and Kevin are the experts. You guys should
But-
tell our viewing public who
Pre-
have somehow heard this for 80 minutes ki what they should buy.
Pre-orders have there's a limited amount of PlayStation 5s being sold, and they're already gone, kind of. nearly gone. Pre-orders.
Kevin, okay, that's Akash ka opinion. Kevin, what do you think our audience should buy? PS5 या Xbox का? What is the new Xbox called?
Xbox One X and Xbox
Okay.
Series X. Sorry.
These
Series
people have no name, no.
उनको creative team
No,
क्या फालतू है उनकी
I
यार?
mean,
Xbox-
I
rubbish
think,
name.
I think cost
Xbox
is a
is
major
means orders.
factor.
Okay, let Kevin say it.
I think Xbox, if everything is good, if the performance is good, and if it's as reliable, then definitely I would say, then I definitely say it's that you should go with a cheaper Xbox, assuming that all the games are going to work. But otherwise, I have personally been I'm used to PlayStation, so I'd probably go with PlayStation. But if
What is
everyone is planning
the
to switch to
P4
Xbox, then I would
performance में
definitely
बहुत
take.
difference होता है क्या?
There-
I have never
yeah,
used
there is a big-
Xbox पे वो.
So the reason why this is shocking for the price point is like these specs on a high-end PC would cost north of $100, $900. Sorry,
No, I was like $100 so sounds
no,
cheap.
no, I meant 900. Sorry, $900. So it'll be $900 and higher. So the fact that they're
Because
selling all these specs for this much is pretty
there is
shocking.
one thing interesting about the price point. In a lot of Asian market में mid-range smartphone के range में आएगा जो तूने $299 बोल रहा है.
Hmm.
So that may open a huge new chunk of for people. And since the
Yeah, that's the
games
thing.
that's why I'm wondering, is there any prominent PS game that you miss out on? Like that is really prominent?
So
Like
for-
Spider-Man तूने बोला.
yeah,
If you
that's
play,
huge. Like
I know it's huge, but I think Fortnite is probably one of the games that these kids play a lot.
yeah, that's
And
also,
Call of Duty वगैरह, they are all there, right?
like they all do, but like companies buy exclusive content. So like PlayStation will buy, okay, you can only get this certain DLC downloadable content on our platform on Call of
but
Duty.
basic, what is
This
the
type of
basic
thing.
game that people will miss out on if they go for
Basic
the
game,
Xbox?
all of them, if they go for Xbox, like you won't know these games, but PlayStation, I said Spider-Man, God of War, Uncharted. There's a list goes on, Bloodborne. There's a load of games that are
Oh, they're
only
exclusive.
and they're exclusive to PlayStation.
Okay.
They cannot be played
Yeah, I think
anywhere else apart from
I
maybe
guess
on
sports
PC now. But
sports games and Fortnite वगैरह के लिए still 299 is a good range.
That's what I was
just
gonna
did the
say.
conversion also. This is a 22K is mid-range smartphone का वो range.
yeah,
Which
But
is
India में I don't think price is same. I don't think this straightforward conversion. Usually मैंने सुना है कि prices are much higher
हैं?
in
for-
India they're much
Oh.
higher normally. I feel, but I don't know the
Wait,
price.
Normally.
okay, then
But-
भाई फिर PlayStation ही होगा then.
But
अगर
yeah, but still $299 for like people like Amrit Arnav. You guys will only play sports games. That's going to be available on all platforms. $299 is not a bad deal.
no
at
no
all.
oh my god यार Xbox One X का 33 से शुरुआत हो रही है
That's
ये
One
कह रहे हैं.
X, Xbox Series S type price. Series S.
Yeah, in short, it's not the price point. In short, it matters कि wife कौन सा approval देती है.
That's the thing. For you guys, for married people, that is the thing. Amrit, as
If you,
Tara.
okay, अच्छा आकाश नहीं देखो the final point for all of those things will be कि इसका point क्या है. Usually like अगर मैं जब buying I was going to say Nord के बारे में but I'm not going to say it. but मेरा आकाश में तो why would you want all three of us to buy a console?
So we
For
can
what
place-
game specifically?
I would like to Avengers has come out. I think it'll be very cool for us all just to play Avengers together. Because I think
PUBG पे तो आता नहीं है ऑनलाइन क्योंकि तू Zoom call में होता है घर वालों के
there's a
साथ. तू इस
I'm
ये
get
खेलेगा
tired
तो.
of dominating in PUBG. Okay, I get tired. How many games did we last?
0.
एक.
I mean, yeah, because we don't play the game because it's blocked, so we can't play it. So we haven't already.
Yes.
हाँ, government को मत
game.
बताओ game खेल रहे हैं. They will block it.
Yeah.
Don't tell them.
Yeah. We don't play any PUBG. No.
Yeah. PUBG
Anyway.
को क्या होता है? No idea.
Moving on, basically, these
Evan-
guys will buy whatever I want, tell them to buy, and they better.
Yes.
They won't buy it until PS6 comes out, which I'm sure, because they'll keep telling me that, oh yes, हम खरीदेंगे. When it comes time to actually buying, घंटा खरीदेंगे.
नहीं इतना
Trust ही
कम
नहीं है.
उम्मीद मत रख हमने.
Yeah. मतलब seriously, थोड़ा तो trust रख friends पे भाई.
Anyway, let's wrap up this podcast on that note. Thank you guys for listening to the Vele podcast. I'm not going to say the episode number because I've forgotten the episode number. I am your host Akash, and we'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and wash those hands.